So how to fix Instagram black screen? Hello guys, first thing you have to do is close Instagram app, and after you close it, now go to the settings. You can do the same thing on the iPhone, by the way. So first thing, open the settings, go to the apps on your phone, go to the apps, go to the Instagram app like this. Now on this page you will find the app informations. All what you have to do on this page is very simple. Click on the force stop and then click on the power usage details, and now click on the app launch. After you click on the app launch, all what you have to do on this page is just turn off the manage automatically option and then disable all those options right here, the auto launch, the secondary launch, and the run in background, and enable them again like this. Click OK, go back, click on the force stop, click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and that's it. Now reopen Instagram. Congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.